Hi guys, welcome to my video. This video I will be explaining JavaScript basics. So we will look into variables and data types first. What is a variable? A variable is a container for storing data. It is declared using three keywords: var, let and const. The best practice is to use let and const. I will explain it later. So var is an old way of declaring a variable, which is function scope. Let is a modern JavaScript way of declaring a variable. So it is block scope. I will explain what is function scope and block scope later. So const is a usually actually always has to be used to define a constant, and we cannot reassign a value to a const. So there are 7 primitive data types. First one is string, which is used to store values of text. Number is another data type for storing integers and decimals. Boolean is used to store true or false value. Undefined is a special primitive data type which is like a placeholder for a value which is still not assigned. Okay, null is an empty value. So symbol, it is a unique identifier. We won't be using commonly in JavaScript application, but it is very rarely used. So bigint is used for very large numbers. For example, a number with more than 10 digit of numbers. So there are 3 non-primitive data types: object, array and function. Object is a key value pairs. I will explain it later with in console, then you will understand it better. For now, so what is an array? Array is an order list of items. It means we can store a list of any kind of items or anything. So function is a reusable block of code we can use in multiple places. So there is a type of operator in JavaScript which is used for saving the type of a value. For example, hello is a string, we know that. So if you use this type of operator for, we can find out which type of the value. So for example, if you use type of operator in value like 10, we will get the value, we will get the output as number. For true, we will get boolean. For null, it's an object. So null object, it's a kirk. So what is a kirk? So actually there is a bug in JavaScript, but the developers found out very late that there is a bug which I mean, for the value null, it returns an object. Because if null is used to define an empty value, but it returns an object. It is a well-known error among the JavaScript developers. So they did not fix it because by the time they found there is a bug, there were lots of JavaScript applications, so they just left it as it is. Okay, I'll explain it in a console. So just open a tab in your browser, whatever browser you can choose. I am using Chrome. You just right click and inspect. You will get something like this. You just clear it. We can use this as a console and practice some JavaScript basics. Okay, I will create a variable using let named as name. I'll just name something. Any you can enter any name you want. Okay, I'm creating another object here. So object is created using a bracket like this. So let me give you some. Okay. So array is declared using a square bracket. Okay. Okay, there is a way of printing values we usually use for developer option developing times. So I'm going to use that, which is console.log. Okay, so I'm just console.log is used for printing the value of the variable. So I'm just gonna print the value of the name. See, it is outputting as broadly, which is the value of the name. Okay, there is a way of accessing object and array. I'll show you how. Okay, let me explain it first. So here I am printing the employee dot name. So this is object's value can be accessed, like the properties can be accessed like this by using a, first we have to use the name of the object, which is employee, then a dot followed by the property name. This is property name is name, so it will print actual. Then the next thing is I have used print is array. Okay, so array works quite different. We usually count from 1, but for array it starts from 0. So this first orange index of the array is 0, apple is 1, grape is 2. So we have to declare it like fruits, then square bracket 1. So when we declare 1, it will print the value of apple. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter. See, its print is Excel, name and the apple. Okay, I'll show you the type of operator. Okay, I'm gonna hit enter. It will print the output. See, it is an object. Array is a object. Okay, I'll just type the, use type of operator for the variable name. So can you guess what it will print? If you thought of string, you are right. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, sorry, I didn't actually use the type of operator. Okay, now it will print string. See, the output is string. So the type of operator is used to find the type of the whatever value it is in this variable. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In the next video we will we will move one by one in JavaScript basics and learn everything. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.